We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
At midnight, as Chinese New Year's Eve begins, Hakka families honor the god of heaven, Tiangong, with firecrackers. The family gathers to pray to the ancestors at first light and then visits local temples to thank the gods for keeping them safe over the past year. In the afternoon, everyone bathes because washing is taboo on the first day of the year. Chinese New Year is a time of reunion, so the family gathers for a lavish feast of meat, fish, and turnip cake in the evening. Red envelopes or yasui money are given to the children to keep them young. Unlike other Chinese, the Hakka do not always stay up late on New Year's Eve. The rest of the New Year is celebrated much like other Chinese, except for the 16th day, when Hakka families start sweeping the ancestral tombs. This is known as guazhi, or hanging paper, because small piles of spirit money are secured on the tombstone with pebbles. The Hakka New Year holiday ends with Sky-Breaking Day, 天穿日, on the 20th day. Hakka farmers do not work the fields on this day because the sky is broken and the ground is leaking, 天穿地漏, so any work would be wasted. Welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
It is the end of the year right now. Time is flying by so fast, and so we owe it to our listeners that we should teach them more about New Year's, about what to say during New Year's.
OK，阿哥，新年快樂！
你叫我阿哥。
恭喜發財。
阿哥，
阿哥
That's me.
阿哥
That's brother. 新年快樂是不是？
新年快樂，
新年快樂，
恭喜發財，
恭喜發財。
紅包一張來，
我就知道，這個不懂哈卡的人都聽得懂，說你要拿紅包了，對不對？Okay, see, in the Chinese culture, we always like to say Happy New Year and have a prosperous, wealthy New Year, and please give me some red envelopes. 所以整句話我們再講一次，新年快樂，
新年快樂，
新年快樂 That's Happy New Year. 恭喜發財，
恭喜發財，
恭喜發財 Have a prosperous year. 然後紅包要拿來，是不是？
紅包，
紅包就是紅包 red envelope.
一張來，
一張來就是
一個來，
請拿來嗎？
一個來啊。
Okay. All right. So that's a little New Year greeting for you right here on ICRT FM 100. And one more thing, because after this edition of our Hakka lesson, we have to say see you next year. 忙年將來了。這樣子嗎？ This is Joseph Lin.
俺只說忙年將來了。
俺只說忙年將來了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.